This is the algorithm that you can get from me to trade 1 hour time frame of any financial market. As you can see, this is the GBP USD 1 hour time frame chart. In this chart you see two types of entries as blue diamonds and red diamonds. You can change the diamond whatever you like to change. Blue color entries simply say to buy the market, and the red color diamonds say simply sell the market. This is the only analysis of entries, buy or sell. The exit strategy is based on the money management system. This is the market that gives us the opportunities to buy and sell, and use Heikin-Ashi charts to use this algorithm.